Okay, so now I want to create a new module by starting from zero, from scratch. I want to import an image I like. I want to retrace an image of a leaf. I want to create a kind of geometrical shape. So will be not exactly a natural shape, but I just want to start copying a kind of leaf I like. Create new layer, lock the layer in which the page is. Then I need some guides in order to be more straight and vertical. Well, I'm not happy with the position of this page, so of this leaf. So let me rotate a little. Okay, I need to realign the guide. Okay, the guide is locked. So I unlock the guide. Okay, place the guide exactly where I want it to have it. Okay, and then let's go to view guide, lock guides again. Okay, now I can start. Okay, let's take the pen tool. Let's start doing the shape. I don't want to really follow 100% the shape of the leaf. In reality, I'm interested of the idea of the leaf. So, okay, let's go to the, okay, let me see better the color of the line. Okay, I want to do some adjustments. I'm not really happy with this shape. Okay, and then I want to, okay, more flame. Okay, I like this one better. Okay, let me hide. I have just a single curve. Then I want to duplicate this curve. I'm mirroring using the mirror tool. I'm holding down Alt in order to do a copy. Okay, and then I'm selecting both in order to join, in order to have a closed shape. Then now I want to do some copies. This time I'm using the rotation tool. It's better for me if I add another guide just to visually exactly see where is the center of the rotation. 60 degree, no, maybe I want to use 45. 45, let's see how it look like. Okay, to do a copy, I want to have this smaller. Okay, and then okay, another rotation. Hold down the Alt key, click on the center of rotation. 45 is fine, and then I want to do even this one smaller. I want to have this little leaf aligned with the center of rotation and the second leaf a little better placed. Okay, I'm happy with this. Okay, now I want to duplicate these two smaller leaf on the right side. Okay, now you are used to use the mirror tool. Okay, I have this group of leaf. I'm happy with this leaf. I just want to make like a kind of center element. Okay, let's do a circle. Let's turn this circle using the direct selection tool to an oval. Maybe using the convert point tool, I want to remove the two handles. It looks like more as a drop. Okay, and now what else? Let me think. Okay, maybe I want to do some extra object from the offside. Okay, I want to create some object inside those objects, like something like this. Maybe 3, 4 millimeters, 6, 7, too much. Let's stay with 3. Okay, so these are actual copies of the shape. And then also of this secondary shape, maybe I want to create another copy of those. Why not? So again, just to repeat. Okay, let me see. Yes, 3 millimeter again. I like it. And then let's do the same for the little object in the center. 3 millimeter in this case is too much. 1.5, 2 millimeter, let's say. Okay. Then I want to apply some color. Still I want to stay with just black and white. I don't want to investigate color in this moment. I'm just working on the shapes. So I want to have the inside leaf black. Okay, I want to have the leaf in the middle white. So let me select, I'm holding down the shift key in order to select each single leaf as a group, and then the leaf on the top. Okay, something like this. I'm taking advantage of the eyedropper also to make the selection of the leaves. and then also the little drop in the center. Okay, everything is black. I need to get the little piece in the center turn to white. Okay, I'm happy with this. Now I'm ready to make a group of this object, and also okay, this is a group. Also I can zoom out a little. Okay, I can also save this object as a symbol. There is a symbol panel available in Illustrator. You can just drag the object and then it creates a new symbol. You can save with a name. And the advantage to have a symbol is that in any moment in this library you can have as many copies you want of the original object. Okay, so now you have all those symbols placed on the page. The advantage is that they share the same combination of color and aspect and size because they belong to the same symbol. In case you want to edit the symbol, you can go to Edit Symbol panel, and now it's open this special condition. You have the gray line on the top that tells you that you are in a special mode in which you are editing the symbol. I want to, let's say, add a couple graphical elements, couple black dots, just to show you what's happened when the modification is done. Okay, just let's do the design of the okay, and then to reflect the dots using the mirror tool. Now we are used to use how to know the reflection tool. Okay, now you exit from the condition of editing of the symbol, and then all the instances of the symbol are updated. If you want to modify just one of those instances, you need to break the link, you need to break the connection of the symbol of the instance, to his own symbol. In this case, right click on the object. Let's go to break the link with the symbol. And in this case, you may decide to edit the object independently in a way in which the other symbols are not affected. So this is a very useful thing in case you use the symbol.